Welcome to the July 2009 edition of Outlook Video, your nationally recognized award-winning show for gay, lesbian, bisexual, and transgender communities. I'm Roberta Gonzalez-Gray.
And I'm Johnny Zich.
We have so much to choose from this month on the topic of same-sex marriage. In early April, the Iowa Supreme Court ruled in a unanimous...
Hey, that's my home state.
Yes, ruled in a unanimous 7-0 decision that it is now legal for gay, corn-fed people like this one here to marry in the Hawkeye State. In response, Republican State Senator Minority Leader Paul McKinley authored legislation to amend the Iowa Constitution to allow only traditional marriages between a man and a woman.
On the Senate floor, Democratic State Senate Majority Leader Michael Gronstel blocked McKinley's bill with this public statement.
One of my daughters was in the workplace one day, and in her particular workplace at that moment in time, there were a whole bunch of conservative older men. And those guys were talking about gay marriage. They were talking about discussions going on across the country. And my daughter Kate, after listening to it for about 20 minutes, said to them, "You guys don't understand. You've already lost. My generation doesn't care." I think I learned something from my daughter that day when she said that. And I've talked with other people about it, and that's what I see, Senator McKinley. I see a bunch of people that merely want to profess their love for each other and want state law to recognize that. Is that so wrong? I don't think that's so wrong. As a matter of fact, last Friday night, I hugged my wife. You know, I've been married for 37 years. I hugged my wife. I felt like our love was just a little more meaningful last Friday night because thousands of other Iowa citizens could hug each other and have the state recognize their love for each other. No, Senator McKinley, I will not co-sponsor a leadership bill with you.
Orientation and transgender.
Unlike California, overturning the gay marriage decision by a ballot initiative amending the Iowa state constitution is more difficult. Openly gay state Senator Matt McCoy explains why.
The Iowa Constitution can't be changed quickly. As I said, we've already had one vote in the Iowa Senate on amending the Constitution to ban gay marriage, and that failed. That's when Republicans had their majority. Every Democrat voted no, and enough Republicans, moderate-minded, joined us to defeat the idea. Now Democrats control the Iowa House and the Iowa Senate, and legislative leaders say the issue won't come up for a vote. But even if it does, constitutional amendments must be approved by two different two-year General Assemblies before they go to the people for a vote. In short, there's no way a flood of out-of-control money can be used to quickly scare Iowans into going backwards on civil rights.
I would have never guessed that my home state would have taken the lead on equal rights in the 21st century.
How about that? Perhaps when you moved to liberal California, you left behind far more fair-minded citizens than you guessed.